Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to pay Netflix using GCash. Let's begin. Start by opening your browser and searching for Netflix. Go to the official Netflix website. Sign into your account. If you don't have one, complete the registration process and click on Finish Sign Up. Once you're signed in, tap on the Next button. You'll be asked to choose a subscription plan. Review the available options. Each plan shows the price and features. Select the one that suits your needs. Scroll down and click Next again to continue. Now, you'll reach the payment section. Select Digital Wallet as your payment method. From the list of options, choose GCash. You'll need to enter the mobile number linked to your GCash account. Make sure the number is correct. After entering your number, agree to the terms and conditions. Then, click on Start Membership. GCash will process the payment and activate your Netflix subscription. You're now ready to stream. It's that simple to pay Netflix using GCash. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching.